Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Naylors finance accounts. If you are new subscriber, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and just type Naylors finance login, and when you have typed it, just click enter in the keyboard. After that the search results will be shown to you, and the first search results will be Naylors my account. You just have to click on it and it will take you to the login portal or my account portal of Naylors official. And when you are inside the portal, if you haven't created an account, you can just click on the create account that is on the right side of sign in, and you will be able to create account. Just fill up the form and follow the instruction and you will be able to create account. And when you have created your account, we just need to go back to the sign in button and just enter the email address and password. And if you have forgotten your password, just below the sign in there is an forgot password text. You can just click there and retrieve or change your password that you have forgotten and just re-enter the password. After that, just click on the sign in button and you will be able to log in into Naylors finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.